Big Crunch or Big Chill, a physics report by Wennergren. Big Bang is the most general theory of the universe's origin and evolution. The universe began to develop for almost 13.8 billion years ago as our space began to expand. The entire observable universe was extremely small, hot, and concentrated in a single dot before the expansion. The term Big Bang was uttered for the first time by the astrophysicist Fred Hoyle. The term, however, is very misleading, as it does not involve an explosion, but an expansion of the room in which all matter exists. Big Bang is primarily based on the cosmological principle, which says that it does not matter where in the universe you are or in which direction you are looking. The universe looks the same anyway. So there wasn't a collection of matter laying still in an empty universe, which then were thrown out into the void. It was an expansion. Big Crunch is one of the many theories for how the universe's future development might look like. The theory is based on that the ongoing expansion in the universe will eventually stop and then get pulled together because of all the collective gravitation of all the celestial bodies in our universe. Big Chill is another theory of how the universe's future development and end might look like. Big Chill argues that the expansion in our universe will continue and even increase the expansion speed. This results in longer distance between celestial bodies and stars. And due to this, the temperature in our universe will begin to spread until all heat energy is scattered evenly. When this happens, no processes will be able to be performed because there's no heat to transfer. Big Crunch and Big Chill are both based on the Big Bang theory, and they have many similarities. However, there is one factor that separates the two theories extremely much. Big Chill suggests that the universe will continue to expand, while the Big Crunch argues that the expansion will stop. The laws of physics says that a Big Crunch is the theory which is most likely to occur due to all the gravity. So if you look at these two theories with physics eyes, Big Crunch is the theory you'll believe in. If a Big Chill will be reasonable, it needs a factor that keeps the expansion in our universe going. That factor is called dark energy. If the expansion will be able to continue in the same way the Big Chill theory suggests, it requires a dark energy to exist, inside and outside the expansion. Dark energy is an item which affects the expansion. Today's research shows that almost 72% of our universe consists of dark energy, so the Big Chill theory is also extremely reasonable. Big Chill is the theory most likely to occur according to current research and observations. But the theory I believe in is actually the Big Crunch. The universe was created and have been developing fast to the better ever since. But it has also been developing to the worse, which our planet, the Earth, is an example of. I therefore believe that our universe will get pulled together to a small dot again, only to create a new Big Bang. The universe resets itself and starts over. Everything is destroyed and then recreated as some kind of defense mechanism against, for example, us humans destroying planets, as we do with Earth. I also think that this may have happened once or several times before.